My name is Tam Khan, ex-professional mixed martial arts fighter turned entrepreneur. I've been based in Dubai now for 13 years. Being a Muslim, Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of my faith, Islam. Everyday life usually for me is hectic, it's everywhere, but Ramadan I kind of like prioritize my fast and prayers more. So I have my routine more suited for that around work and training. But even last year it was tough, it was difficult in ways, but to me it was still just as good because I had a treadmill at home, I had a bench press, squat rack, everything I need. But for me, I always adapt. For me, since I'm young, like I've one of those kind of strong kind of mentalities where if I'm in a situation, you have to adapt. If I'm, for example, left in the jungle naked, I'll come out wearing a chinchilla coat. I believe that, I'm like that. So we try to look after our customers as well without trying to benefit in a profit, you know? And also we froze every membership. We promised everyone that they'll have that back, which some gyms don't. Our gym is different to others where we're not there. It's a community, it's a vibe. Like we know every customer's name who comes in. Some customers can't afford the membership. It's not like you're gonna put a card and scan and go, no entry. Okay, tell me when you can, I'll let you go through if you want to pay installments. We're like that, it's a community. It's like the barber shop. It's that kind of vibe. So I like to keep it like that way. And the best thing is always to look after your customers because without them, you're nothing. We're all in the same struggle. So sometimes I try to like explain to people, don't be so down, everyone's struggling. It's not just you. Life hasn't hit everyone. And sometimes the ones you think are more successful are the ones who get affected more. They're responsible for more. Their everyday spending's more. So when they get hit, it hits hard. While as if you're surviving in a certain way, they can take that hit and you can just move forward. So you have to explain that to them and say, look, we're all in the same boat. Let's just, you know, some of us have kids, some of us had that. You know, your worry is, can you put food on the table rather than a gym or... For me, faith is integral to my life, like being close to God. And I don't push religion. I'm not one of those people, but for me, you have to find a base. Without that base, everything's gonna be all over the place. If you're fasting and want to train, I say do slow, steady state cardio, like a nice brisk walk, incline, or a yoga or stretching or some TRX work where you're getting good breathing in and then getting oxygen to your muscles and brain, and just long rest between sets, everything very slow. After you've eaten and you've had a good break, I'd say post 10 p.m. You can train much harder if you've got fluids around you, why not? But for the first week, just play around with it, tiptoe on the ice, and then after that, listen to your body, I'd say. Listen to your body. Everyone's different. I can't say one advice to everyone. Some people are more advanced, some people adjust differently, some people are very beginner. So just listen to your body, and when it feels like you're a bit dizzy, just stop.